Sun Salutation B, a yoga warm-up, flow for strength and energy. Sun Salutation B, or Surya Namaskar B, gently expands on the foundation of Sun Salutation A, offering a dynamic combination of strength, flexibility, and warmth. With the addition of chair pose and warrior one, this flowing sequence activates the legs and core, making it an ideal warm-up for your yoga practice. As you move with intention and synchronize breath with each posture, Sun Salutation B nurtures endurance, mindfulness, and a deeper connection to your body, helping to create a calm yet energized state of being. Sun Salutation B consists of a series of integrated poses that blend strength, alignment, and mobility. The flow builds upon the foundational postures of Sun Salutation A: Tadasana, mountain pose; Utkatasana, chair pose; Uttanasana, standing forward fold; Ardha Uttanasana, halfway lift; Chaturanga Dandasana, four-limbed staff pose; Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog; Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog; Virabhadrasana I, warrior on, right side; Chaturanga Dandasana, four-limbed staff pose; Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog; Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog; Virabhadrasana I, warrior on, left side. Transition back to standing, forward fold to chair pose. Each posture softly builds muscle engagement, flexibility, and balance, creating seamless energy flow throughout your practice. This sequence is typically practiced as a continuous flow, connecting each movement to the cadence of breath. Inhale, rise into Utkatasana, chair pose, from Tadasana. Exhale, fold forward into Uttanasana. Inhale, lift halfway to Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, step or jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, open the chest into upward dog or cobra pose. Exhale, shift to downward dog. Inhale, transition into warrior I on the right side. Repeat this rhythm to complete both sides, gradually returning to Tadasana, allowing the body and breath to settle. Sun Salutation B deeply enhances physical and mental well-being. Strengthens and warms the body poses like chair and warrior. I engage the core, legs, and back, cultivating resilience and stability. Boosts energy and focus. The mindful flow generates heat, opening both body and mind for deeper yoga practice. Promotes cardio health. With its dynamic rhythm, the sequence supports stamina and circulation. Deepens mind-body awareness. By aligning breath with motion, it encourages a calm and present mindset. Honor your breath. Let each inhale and exhale guide your movement. Focus gently on alignment, listening to your body's limits. Use modifications to soften transitions as needed, ensuring a steady, joyful flow. Cultivating calm energy through Sun Salutation B prepares your mind and body for the rest of your yoga journey, fostering harmony and vitality with every breath and movement.